Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make this classic 1 carat solitaire ring in Rhino. You can use Rhino 7 or Rhino 8 or Rhino 5. I believe it should work. Yeah. Let's get this started. So it's basically this ring. So it's a very classic ring, 1 carat. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and start from the beginning. Okay, delete this. From here, we're gonna import our gem, our 1 carat gem. Okay, 1 carat center stone. If you don't have an access for a 1 carat center stone, I do have it on my Discord. I created a Discord for everybody to join in, and yeah, I'm gonna try to create a community for a designer who wants to learn on making jewelry in CAD. You can use Rhino or Matrix. Yeah. So once I import the gem center stone, this is gonna be 1 carat. We can move this on our center 0. All right, so now we're gonna create a ring rail is gonna be size 7. For this, it will be approximately point 17.33. Okay, there you go. This is gonna be size 7. So right now we're gonna put this up by 1.5. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna create our basket, our 4-prong basket, right? So let's create our first donut under. Okay, let's create a circle 0. All right, let's put this up. All right, just try to eyeball it right here, maybe a little bit bigger, but it shouldn't be outside of your, it shouldn't be, it should be under your gem. Okay, your center stone. So this looks good. We're gonna use a tool called pipe, but we're gonna make this 0.9. Here we go. Yeah, that's not too bad. You can put this up a little bit more. Okay, and then from our front view, we're gonna create another donut. Okay, we're gonna go to wireframe. We're gonna use this same line, this circle. We're gonna make it a little bit smaller, so this will be tapered basket, 4-prong basket. So okay, alright, that looks good. So now we're gonna go ahead and use pipe again, approximately 1 millimeter over here. Alright, that's not too bad. And now the next step is going to be, we're gonna offset this rail that we have, offset this by 1.2. Here we go. And we're gonna use this line to create our guide. It's basically gonna be a guide for this donut. Okay, we're gonna use sketch edit for this donut, bounding box, C plane, enter again until you see these points. All right, so these points, adjust these points, the center points, the side points over here, adjust it down. Use your rail to guide this donut. There we go. Now you see what I mean. Here we go. Yeah, that's not too bad. That's what we wanted to look. Now let's go to side view. Let's go ahead and create a line over here. So when you create a line, I want to use color yellow over here, profile. Okay, we're gonna click select this color, profile yellow. Okay, we're gonna use intercurve. I want to draw a line over here to here to here to here. Enter. All right, now I want to use a pipe again. Let's draw a pipe by 1 mm. We're gonna put a cap as a round, so it's gonna be rounded edges, rounded, the end is gonna be rounded. You'll see what I mean. So 1 mm again. Actually, let's go back. Let's go to our metal. Okay, over here we're gonna click pipe again, 1 mm on the top, and then 1.2 mm on the bottom. Over here, enter. There we go. Alright, you know what? I want to use a default color on this one. So let's go back to default. Here we go. Okay, so now once you created this, our first prong or one prong, we're gonna go ahead and rotate this. Type rotate. Our center is gonna be 0 over here, and then we're gonna type 45 angle. There we go. Enter again, and then escape. Alright, that looks good. We only need this one, right? So I'm gonna go ahead delete this, and then we're gonna mirror this. Type mirror for our center 0. There we go, and then mirror again from our center to the other side. Alright, that looks good to me. So now we're gonna extrude this. Extrude, curve, solid, yes. Okay, there we go. Right now we're gonna cut this. We're gonna Boolean difference with this cylinder over here. There we go. Now we can do fillet edges. Fillet edge by 0.2. Try to always fillet your edges, so that way they will look good on rendering. Rendering is another topic, so let's not get into that one yet. Alright, so now we have our 4-prong basket. It's tapered. To me, this looks good. You can lower this down a little bit more for rendering purposes. Let's go ahead and click box edit. Actually, cage edit. Cage edit. Bounding box. Enter, and then let's pull this down. There we go. Alright. Okay. Let's make this a little bit closer to the center. Okay. Yeah. Actually, this is not too bad. It's just, to me, this looks good. I just want this to go a little bit closer. Let's delete this. Rotate this again. Here, and then I want this to go closer this way. There we go. Alright, we're gonna do that again, same process. Rotate or 0 to 45 angle, enter, delete that, and then mirror this on the other side. There we go. Same thing, 0. There we go. That's looking better. Alright. Over here, from here, we're gonna create our shank. And I want our shank to be tapering going up. Alright, so let's create a line over here. Insert curve again. There we go. Let's put points on, adjust this a little bit. let's draw another line with yellow so that way you can see it. Interpret this to here, to here, to here. Alright, and then points on, adjust this again. I'm gonna adjust this. I want it to look like so, like about like that. Oh, let's rebuild this. Rebuild it by 5 points, and then points on. Okay. There we go. Yeah, it's not too bad. Alright, so now we're gonna split this rail that we have here by points over here and then all the way to the bottom. So now we have this separated, this line and this line. So now what I want to do is split this again by points, delete that, and then we're gonna go ahead and blend curve from here to here. There we go. And then let's rebuild this again. Join first. Join. Then rebuild. I want this by 11 by 3. There we go. There we go. That looks good. Yeah. If we mirror this to the other side, 0. There we go. Yeah, that looks good. I like that. This is gonna be a very low setting, but still looking good. You see this? This is only about 5.6 from our rail. So now from here, what we want to do is create now our profile. So let's go to right view. Let's create a rectangle with rectangle from here to here, but 2.2 by 1.6, and then round it. There we go. There we go. I wanna edit this a little bit more. Let's see if we can put our points on. Okay, let's split this. Split by points over here, and then let's blend curve from here to here. Alright, and then adjust this. There we go. It's more rounded. There we go. Now we can join this and then remove this to our center of our rail. There you go. That's our first profile. We're gonna go ahead and rotate copy this on the other side. Rotate copy, copy yes, F4. There we go. Let me put it this way. There you go. That's gonna be our second profile, and I want to adjust this to let's try 1D, scale 1D from here to here by 1.7. There we go. Let's try to see what's there. We go. 1.7, 1.5 over here. Alright, so now what I want to do is create another profile going up this way, right? So let's do that. We're gonna click Alt, copy here, And what I want here, I want this to be 1.5. So let's make this smaller, up to about 1.5 dimension. We're gonna measure this about 1.5. Okay, we're gonna adjust this to about 1.5. There we go. And then 1D scale it. We're gonna make this a little bit smaller now. 1D scale 1D from this point to our quad. Make this about 1.3. There, enter. Alright, so now we have three profile, one on the bottom, one on the right, and then one on the top over here. What we want here, we want this to actually go this way. Yeah, that's not too bad. Alright, let's try to sweep this and see what it looks like. Sweep one. From here, sweep one. From this profile here, and then the bottom. Let's make this pointing in the same direction. Yeah, that's not too bad. Yeah, like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and create a cap over here. All right, how do we do that? We split. We want this to be in default. Okay. Okay, it's not too bad. Actually, I want to add this a little bit more. I feel like this is going up too much. I want this to be here. There you go. And this way. Alright. Sweep this again. Select our tree profile, put it in the same direction. Let's see how it looks now. There you go. That looks good. Yeah, to me it looks good. So we're gonna go ahead and create a blend. We're gonna blend the surface over here. To do that, I want to split surface. What's that command? Split. So we're just gonna split this curve right here by points, 2 points over here. So now we have 2 points. We have 2 curves, one there, one here, and then I'm gonna create a extract iso curve from this surface. There we go. And then here, and then we're gonna blend this blend curve from here to here. There we go. Let's see how high this one will go, like so. Okay, and then this 3 curve right here, we're gonna go ahead and use Set that to curve network. There we go. There we go. Curve network. There you go. That looks good. Click OK. Then now you can join this. Okay, mirror on the other side. There we go. This is what happens when you use Rhino for such a long time. You forgot stuff sometimes. Alright, join. There we go. That looks good. So now let's create this under rail over here. We can mirror this to the other side. Mirror. Let's use this left side and let's create a curve. Let's create another profile inside here. Rotate, copy. There we go. We have this curve right here. Actually, we can just use this. Mirror this on the other side. And join, mirror. There we go. And then I want to copy this, put it over here, and then we can use sweep one. This way. All right. There we go. What we have now, we're gonna just mirror this on the other side. Boom. We have now a simple classic solitaire with 4-prong basket. Alright, if you like this video, please click thumbs up, like and subscribe. I hope you learned something today, and yeah, hopefully I can add learnings on your progress on designing jewelry. Alright, this actually, I'm gonna make this free for everybody. So I'm gonna just follow the link. You can download this on CG Trader. I'm gonna make this free for everybody, so you don't actually have to make this if you don't want to. But if you want to try and learn how to make this, you can follow the tutorial, and yeah, good luck. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.